English Joy and welcome back to our English conversation practice. On today's video, we shall be looking at present continuous tense. Am, is, are plus verb ing. Let's get started. Topic present continuous tense. Am, is, are plus verb ing form. Examples. I am playing. I am playing. She is eating. She is eating. They are jumping. They are jumping. Focus. Talking about what is happening now or right now. Focus. Talking about what is happening now or right now. Activity ideas. 1. What's happening now? What's happening now? Action game. Action game. Steps. 1. Act out actions like eating, reading, running, jumping. Act out actions like eating, reading, running, jumping. Number 2. Students guess and say. Students guess and say. 1. You are eating. You are eating. 2. She is jumping. She is jumping. Variation. Let students take turns acting and guessing. Let students take turns acting and guessing. Number 2. Picture talk. Picture talk. Steps. 1. Show a busy picture. Example, kids at a park or classroom. Show a busy picture. Example, kids at a park or classroom. Ask. Ask. What is he or what is she doing? What is he or she is doing? He is playing football. He is playing football. She is drawing a picture. She is drawing a picture. Number 3, encourage full sentences and pronunciation practice. Encourage full sentences and pronunciation practice. Number 3, find someone who. Find someone who. Steps. Number 1, say, find someone who is writing. Say, find someone who is writing. Students walk around, find a classmate doing the action and say, you are writing. You are writing. Variation, use it as a movement break or fun warm up. Variation, use it as a movement break or fun warm up. Number 4, mini story or comic strip. Mini story or comic strip. Example story. Look, Ben is running to the bus. Look, Ben is running to the bus. Anna is eating an apple. Anna is eating an apple. The dog is jumping. The dog is jumping. They are smiling. They are smiling. Students draw pictures to match each sentence. Students draw pictures to match each sentence or create their own story using ing verbs or create their own story using ing verbs. 5. Present continuous song or chant. present continuous song or chant. Create a chant like I'm running, I'm running, I'm running today. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running today. She's eating, hooray, hooray. She's eating, hooray, hooray. It helps with rhythm, pronunciation, and memorization. It helps with rhythm, pronunciation, and memorization. Quiz set. Part 1 chose the correct answer. Part 1 chose the correct answer. 1. I blank playing basketball now. A am, B is, C are. Answer is letter A am. I am playing basketball now. Number 2. She blank eating breakfast. A are, B is, C am. Answer is letter B is. She is eating breakfast. Number 3. They blank running in the park. A are, B is, C am. Answer is letter A are. They are running in the park. Number 4. He blank reading a book. A is, B are, C am. Answer is letter A. He is reading a book. Number 5. We blank dancing together. A am, B are, C is. Answer is letter B. We are dancing together. Part 2. Fill in the blanks. Use am, is, are plus verb ing. 1. I blank a story. Answer is I am reading a story. Number 2. She blank on the bed. Answer is she is jumping on the bed. Number 3. They blank football. Answer is they are playing football. 4. He blank rice. Answer is he is eating rice. Number 5. We blank picture. Answer is we are drawing picture. Part 3, say it. Asked, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? What is your friend doing? What is your friend doing? What are your parents doing? What are your parents doing? Students answer, I'm studying. I'm studying. My friend is writing. My friend is writing. My parents are cooking. My parents are cooking. Bonus challenge. Make one sentence for each subject. Make one sentence for each subject. I, he, she, we, they. I, he, she, we, they. Example, I am running. I am running. 2. He is eating. He is eating. They are playing. They are playing. A. Match the sentences with the pictures, actions. Column A sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Column B actions slash pictures. Say or show. A, B, C, D, E, F. Answer number 1. He is eating. Letter C. A boy with an apple. Number 2. They are playing football. Answer is letter A. 2 kids kicking a ball. Number 3. She is reading a book. Answer is letter B. A girl holding a book. Number 4. I am drawing a picture. Answer is letter E. A child with crayons. Number 5. We are singing a song. Answer is letter F. A group of children singing. Number 6. The dog is jumping. Answer is letter D. A dog in the air. Letter B. Match the subject with the correct verb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E. Answer is number 1. I am writing. Letter C. Number 2. She is eating. Letter B. Number 3. They are jumping. Letter A. Number 4. He is running. Letter D. Number 5. We are dancing. Letter E. C. Match the sentence to its meaning for comprehension practice. Sentence 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning A to E, A, B, C, D, E. Number 1, answer is she is jumping. She is doing it right now. Letter E. Number 2, they are playing. Answer is letter C. The action is happening at this moment. They are playing. Number 3, I am running. It's letter B. I am not walking. I am moving fast. Number 4, he is eating. Answer is letter A. Food is in his mouth. And number 5, we are singing. It's letter D. We are using our voices for a song. Extension idea. Have students draw one action from the quiz and write the matching sentence below their picture. Example, he is eating. This helps them connect visuals plus grammar plus creativity. So there you go guys. This video ends here about present continuous tense. Am, is, are plus verb ing form. Thanks for watching.